Guys, today I will be giving you step-by-step procedures on how to update your portal as a fresh student or as a returning student into your portal. So the first thing you need to do if you want to update your portal is for you to log into the school website on your Google account, nowedu.ng, as you can see on my dashboard. Now the next thing for you to do, this page now will open for you. The next thing for you to do now is to click on this thing. It will open. When it opens, you click on fresh student. Since you want to register for the new semester, you click on fresh student. After you click on fresh student, it will open for you. You wait for it to load. You wait for it to load. The network is a little bit low, but you wait for it to load. Then after it load like this page now will open for you. It says set your new password as a fresh student. Then you enter your matric number. You enter your matric number. You enter your password. Then you click on confirm password. Then you submit. Once you submit, you wait for it to process. Once you submit, you wait for it to process. The network is slow, that is why it is like this, but just be patient. Once you succeed, you see this message, success. All email correspondence between you and the university will henceforth be via your student email. Do you understand? Your default email is, as you can see, so that means you have successfully updated your portal. Once you see this message, you have successfully updated your portal. Now the next thing for you is to log into your portal. Now you put in your matric number. You type in your matric number, you type in your password, then you type in your captcha. This captcha now will load. For the captcha now to display for you to load, for the captcha to display for you to load it. Now just watch and learn. It is very simple. Now you want to log into your portal now to carry out your course and exam registration. Now it opens. Now you click on, make sure the captcha are correct. Make sure the captcha are correctly typed. If the captcha is not correctly typed, it will not open. So make sure it is correctly typed. So as you can see, it's loading. As you can see, it's loading. Just have to be patient because the network is slow this morning. So as you can see, I've successfully logged in. I successfully logged into this student portal. This student portal that I just updated now, I've successfully logged in. You see it. Save password. I've saved the password. You see. So now I've successfully logged in. This is the person portal. This is the person portal. So the next thing for you to do is for you to now register your portal, register your courses. But for you to register your courses, you need to make a payment into your portal. Now how do you make a payment into your portal? You click on bursary. When you click on bursary, it will load for you. When you click on bursary, it will load for you. Now this page I've opened. Now you want to make payment into your portal. After this page open for you, as you can see, it has opened. Then you click on make payment. At the left hand side of your dashboard, you see where you see options, sub menu items. On the left hand side of your dashboard, you click make payment, or you click on make payment. You wait for it to load. It's the network, that is why it's delaying. Now in this section, this is where you type in the amount of money you want to pay for the semester. Now let's say let's say we want to pay, let's type in 50,000. Let's say we want to pay 50,000. This is 5,000. Let's say we want to pay 50,000, or let me see 50,000 250, or let me say 51,000 250. Then you click on next. Then you click on next. You want to make payment to